Hello, welcome back to the pet room. We're still looking at box number 1. And I've just noticed, although I saw it before, but I thought, well, I'll just hold off on this for a moment. What do we have in here? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Now, it is slightly yellowed. And probably, I would bet the thing on the end of this doesn't have its little clip thing. Because that's what happened. No, it doesn't, of course. But look, it's a Commodore phone. And we're not having a whole lot of sunshine for the next little while. But I have had good luck in leaving such things out in the sun to get the whiteness going. And there is a fellow who's been after me for my Commodore phone, and he happens to be from Poland. I think I need to send him a message and see if he is interested in this one. But it does seem, I'll use a magic eraser on it, but it is definitely got some yellowing to it. But once again, there's chemicals. I don't like the chemicals. But I have had great success in leaving things out. Now, will it take a while? Yes. Do you have to watch the weather? Yes. But there it is. The Commodore phone. Lovely. Hello? No. 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 Dave's not here. Bye for now. Alright. So this, if I didn't know, if I knew for sure what was what in terms of the storm, I might put, the other thing, of course, that I would probably do if I was going to put this outside, or the case outside, was to remove the case from the phone. In case something happens, like rain, then it shouldn't be a terrible thing. Oh, look, here's a ruler from Finnair, which I can just imagine is the airline of Finland. It is in inches and centimeters. Somewhere I have, and I don't know where, some kind of ruler that actually is made by, or not made by, but it said Commodore on it. Oh, look, here's a gem. It's a white pencil. Dull. Yeah. All right, now. Oh, this box is just falling apart. Here we have a disc case. Now, judging from the pretty colors I see, I would like to think that this is all Amiga stuff. But is it? Maybe. Forethought on disk. Mine Run Frogger. Demo of Dragonlair. D-Base. Let's see. Oh yeah, looks like Amiga stuff of some sort. Word Perfect. PC Transformer. OS2. Install disk 0 and 1. Well, once again, what's this? Vaccine. Oh, PC Internet Kit. Vaccine Internet. PC Internet Kit. Boot disk. OS2. So definitely there are some things here. OS2. What's that? Did something just fly up and try and get me? I don't know. There's definitely things that I don't know. OS2. Maybe these are IBM thingies. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. I will find a spot here to set them without doing damage. And the rest of this box, and this box is going to the recycling to be sure, almost immediately, is a bunch more 3.5-inch discs. Alright, that box is going out. Let's just quickly have a look. Oh look, nothing. Amiga BBS V1. Forethought on disk. Dragon's Lair 2 demo, but then something else is written here. And something. Roots data. Catalog. Thor mail reader. Well, see, a lot of these are not interested there. That's as interesting as it gets. But this isn't. I've never seen this before. Forethought on disk. Return this demo disk to Forethought. I have no idea what they were, what they did, how they did it, or anything. All right. This bottle can go into that box for recycling. Look, that's exciting. It's scratched out, whatever it is. Scratched out. Nothing. Nothing. Are they all backwards? No, they are not. Alright, something. Mod. Transcript. Dozer. Not interesting stuff. Morph. TT. Something. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look. It's a Dragon Slayer demo disc. And a Dragon Slayer demo disc. And that's about that. And more discs. Utilities and stuff. Nothing. This is a dangerous thing. It's got a label that's coming off. That's the kind of thing that can stick in your drive easy. Remove virus. Start in safe mode. What is this? Captain Comic. Type stop to run the program. Captain Comic. No clue. Never heard of that. Bench data. Partition something boot. Anyway, as I say, some of these may be for the Amiga. Some of them may not be. DOCS A64. Disk 2.0. C64. Oh, A64. Workbench. Interesting. A64. Package. A64. DOS util. No idea. A64. Workbench. Can't read that. Oh, what is this? Consume. No, ComShare Commander, Executive Information System, Commander Disk 6, version 1.3.2. Never heard of that. No clue what it is. It has the sound of something Amiga-like when it has something like 1.3.2, like this. Maybe a workbench backup. Something that says roots. Roots data. Not intriguing or interesting tremendously. Stuff here. Disks that are backwards. Disks that are forwards. A64, version 3.01. B. No clue. Blank disk. C64. Amiga. I don't know. Anyway, lots of disks. So I think I will get a shopping bag. I'm going to take this box out. But just before we carry on, let me tell you. By the way, I'm really excited about this Commodore phone. As my grandmother would say, and you may have heard this. Oh dear. It could use a face wash. It could. Actually, even the cable looks a little on the grimy side, but it could use a face wash. It could. Anyway, let me tell you another bit of the story of the adventure of going to get all this stuff. And that was, we got off the highway, and I did notice that the exit before we got off the highway was closed. But that's okay, because we weren't going there. We were going to the next one. But then, when we go to get back on, we follow the phone. It tells us where to go. And we get to the thing. There's two guys standing there. There's cones all over the place, and it's obvious it's closed. It's like, hey, all right. So we carried on, figuring the phone will tell us what to do. Well, it did. And we ended up at another thing where there was a nice work lady and an OPP officer. And I said, look, I'm not from here. I have no idea. I just want to get to the highway. So he muttered something about Niagara Street or something or other, whatever. I said, oh. He said, do you have a thing in there? Yes. I said, well, it should tell you. Okay. I thought. So off we went. So we listened to the directions. And because I don't know anything about anything where we were. Anyway, and guess what? It took us back to the same place that we had been the first time, which we couldn't get on. There was massive work, I think, paving going on. So, but then I thought, okay, we're right back to next to where the highway is. So I thought, I don't believe that the entrance to the wrong direction is closed. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to get on the highway and go the wrong way until I'm sure that I'm in an exit where the entrance going the other way is okay. And indeed, that was the next one, which wasn't all that far, and away we went. And when I left, and Andrew came with me on this adventure, he said, how long is it going to be? And I said, well, I'm not sure exactly. And he always wants things. I said, anyway, I said, you know what? I figure we'll be back by 2 in the morning. And, oh, here's another thing. So we're looking around after we got everything picked up because we wanted to get there. And I thought, okay, we'll snag something to eat. Nothing is open. Nothing. So we're driving along the QEW, which is the Queen Elizabeth Way, near the lake. And I keep seeing signs for things, but I'm like, they're not going to be open. And there's another thing up in Ontario here. It's called the en route things. And they would be places that have gas and stuff. And usually they're open, but I don't know. But anyway, there wasn't one, so it didn't matter. So we finally, on one of those signs, I see it. It says, Tim Hortons, 24 hours. So we get off the highway, wiggle ourselves around, find the Tim Hortons. It's closed. Everything is lit up like it's open. Nobody there. So I'm going to actually send a message to Tim Hortons and say, hey, that wasn't helpful. Because that lost us like 20 minutes. It's late at night. And we're already tired. It's probably maybe 1 in the morning. Anyway, we did finally, close to where we live, find a 24-hour drive-through at McDonald's and satisfied our hunger, etc., etc., etc. But really, so yes, I will send a message to Tim Hortons and say, if your sign says 24 hours on the highway, it should be open. It should be. No doubt. Oh, dear. Well, I'm going to do a little organization. I'm going to get this box out of here. There we are. It's a Commodore. Going to get this box out of here to be recycled. And by the way, if you're wondering how to get the lid off a phone like this, is, if you've ever seen a phone like this, there's 2 screws in the bottom, one in the back, one here, one in the back, in the middle. If you take them off, this whole body should lift off. Now, and now that I look at it, of course, the dial thing here, around the dial, it is also equally yellowed. So if I got the outside all nice and white, then the dial will look yellow. Right now, it matches. It's not the worst yellowing I've ever seen, but it's yellow. So, what have I done? What have I knocked down? Oh no. What have I done? Oh, okay. I knocked down some glasses. It's okay. They're in cases. So, all right. I'm going to get a shopping bag, probably from No Frills, a little yellow one. I'm going to put the 3.5-inch discs in and take them upstairs. And and cassettes, I guess I'll keep here. And I will get another box. So we can look through and see what else there is. So, Thanks so much for coming to the pet room. We'll see you again soon. And remember, Commodore, the one to grow on. Computers for the masses, not the classes. Or the asses that like to charge too much. To this day, there is this company. They make good things, but they charge way too much. Way too much. But we pay it, so they keep doing it. If nobody bought them, they'd have to lower the price. They would. But we keep buying them, so they don't. Just glancing in here. What is this? Ooh. This is not from the boxes, but there's a disc that caught my eye. It's Soft Link Page Stream. Disk 2, version 1.3.01 update. Interesting. All right. We'll see you again. Signing off from the pet room. David Bradley. Bye for now.